Cleaned the lens. Right, okay. Oh. Oh. Let's do Rio's quickly. Rio's created another monster one again. You can always count on Rio to create a Lego monster. Wow, look at this. What does this do, Rio?
This is a power mine.
Another power miner. What does it do?
This one just rocks out, and this is a poisonous spider.
Show me the poisonous spider. I can't see it.
There.
Where? I see it now. Very nice.
And the man has the rock monster that's cut his arm.
Show me. Oh yeah, I see him now. You've done a good job on
But
this one.
got this arm strap.
What's the name of it?
A rock crasher.
Wow. What else are you going to make?
And it's done.
Okay, alright, let's go back to Bryn.
That drills the rock.
The propeller at the back, right?
Yeah,
It's a drill, is it, right?
And the size, so you know it's him with him.
Yeah.
There's lights.
Show me the lights. Can't see them. Do look at the camera. Slowly show them. Oh, that's it.
Lights.
I see them now.
That's all the daddy.
What's the men do? Do they work on
that? That man bombs.
Yeah.
And he drives. And he checks if, and he picks all the. He picks the. He picks up the. There's so many things with. The crystal. He picks the crystals up.
Oh, that's very good. Well done. Well done, Bryn. Well done, Rio. Right, should we do Evan? What's Evan made? Hold on. Say mine. What's your name?
My name's Evan. This is my Lego power miner.
Wow. Do you like power miners, you three, at the moment?
Yes.
Ah, I thought so. Everyone's making power miners.
This is a power miner. This here, this thing here, this gets signal of the rock monster.
Ah, so he knows where the rock monster is all the time. Yeah. Oh, very good, Evan. Let's have a close look at it. Very good, Evan.
Can I have it, Evan? And this is a claw, like when it's going, it can just crash into a rock.
Ah. How was your first day back at school today?
Okay.
After your summer holidays?
Okay.
Was it good?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
What did you do? Tell me one thing you did.
Played with PE equipment.
Play with PE equipment, that's alright.
And this here is something that goes up to get signal of it too. Two things that get signal of the rock.
Wow, okay.
And when it's got signal of the rock monster, it'll go down here to go there, and it will tell the man there's a rock monster.
Very good.
Somewhere.
Oh.
And this here helps it go. It stings. Sting comes out.
Okay. Show me closely. We haven't made a really good close look, have we? Slowly, Evan. That's it. Very good. You've all done really well.
It's a boat and the name's called Claw Digger.
Claw Digger. Okay, very good.
That's my name.
What's your one called?
Rock.
Rock. I like that name.
Rock Crusher.
Rock Crusher.
I'm called Rock Crusher. Actually, I'm not finished.
Okay then. I'll just stop it for a minute.